When a man loves you, he loves you. Even you can't have kids with that man. You can't give him kids. He loves you. When you saw your man dumps you because you can't give him kids, that person, he doesn't not in love with you. He was on mission maybe to have kids with you only. It's not about he is in love with you. Guys, when a person loves you most of the time, it's not about kids. Those people who have got kids, they are fighting in their marriages. So sometimes, guys, the problem is not the kids. When you saw your husband is marrying another woman because you can't give him kids, it's about maybe he married you with a reason that he wants to have kids with you, but he was not in love with you. So sometimes, guys, men, they married women with a reason, because maybe he saw you that maybe you can have kids with him, what, but now maybe you can't give him kids what you was expecting. So sometimes it's not about maybe kids or what. Those people who have got kids, even in their marriages, they are fighting, guys. People were fighting, even they left the kids or what. So when you saw your man says maybe you can't have kids and he can leave you because you can't have kids. Oh no, he doesn't love you even at the first time. Guys, it's a problem, especially when it comes to a woman. It's a problem that maybe you saw your husband is start acting in such a way, especially when you don't have kids in that marriage. Maybe it's a big problem, because a man can change his attitude, and the more it affects you as a woman, your husband is start changing his behavior. Maybe now it's 5 years, 6 years. Maybe you can be patient all the time, that maybe it will happen one day. But a man can lose patience. But when you saw your husband doesn't lose patience on you, he is still giving you the love he still gives you. You are very lucky, because men are those people who are losing patience, especially when it comes to things like kids in marriages. They start maybe behaving or going out, or you can hear that your husband have got a child with other women outside there. Men, they can do it, guys, outside, because he want to test that maybe is the problem. Where is the problem? Maybe is the problem. He can go out and have a child with other women outside there, because you can't give him kids. And he start, you know that when a man have got a child outside there, because you can't have kids, is the problem now, because he is going to bring another woman in your family now, to be involving that woman in your family. So when you saw your man is still supporting you, he is still loving you, and other men, guys, they don't care. He can tell you that I don't care about kids, I love you, even you can't give me kids. Other men, guys, they are very strong, because he loves you so much.